Let's talk about the Profile Template Manager in Multilogin, a feature that's going to save you tons of time. It lets you create profiles and reuse them without having to set everything up again and again, like proxies, cookies, storage, or fingerprint settings. Let me show you how to use this feature. First, go to the Templates section in the left menu. You'll see an option to create a new template. Once you click that, you can tweak all the settings you need: basic, advanced, and expert. For example, let's create a template for US Amazon stores. We'll add Amazon cookies and use a US proxy from Multilogin. Set Amazon as the start URL so it opens every time you launch a profile, and pre-select the operating system, storage type, and screen resolution. This way, every profile you create from this template will be ready to go right out of the box. When you've got everything set up, just click Create Template and you're good to go. If you want to make one of your templates the default, meaning it'll be applied to every new profile you create, just click Set as Default next to that template. And if you ever need to remove it as the default, simply hit Reset. Now, creating profiles from templates is just as simple. For regular profiles, click the arrow next to the Create button. Then choose From Template in the drop-down menu. Choose your template from the list. Finally, hit Create. It's that easy. All your template settings are now applied to your new profile. For quick profiles, click Quick in the dashboard. Select your template and the settings will autofill automatically. You can still make adjustments before starting the profile, though. If you've already set up a profile and want to save it as a template, just go into the profile settings. Then click Save as Template at the top. Finally, hit Create Profile or Update Profile. That'll save the settings as a new template you can use anytime. Editing or renaming a template is super easy too. Just select the template and click Edit at the top. Or right-click it and select Edit. If you want to rename it, right-click and choose Rename, type in the new name, and hit Enter. And one last thing, if you make any changes to a template, the profiles you've already created with this template won't update automatically. This is great because it ensures that once a profile is set, it stays that way and won't accidentally change on you. So that's how the Profile Template Manager works. It's super easy to use, and it'll help you stay organized, save time, and keep things running smoothly across your profiles.